Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1966 Mustang convertible. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. You can see it's a complete turnkey drop-in ready engine. We have the 302 Ford double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft. We have the Edelbrock aluminum heads on here. Painted the Ford blue with the brass freeze plugs. Customer wanted the rear sump oil pan for his suspension, so we put the rear sump oil pan, dipstick and tubes installed. These real nice Cobra valve covers. The Taylor ignition wires, American made. All the wire markers are on there. We have the matching Cobra air cleaner. Distributor set in place. We have the MSD ignition coil. Holley sniper fuel injection systems on there. Throttle cable ball, throttle cable bracket and spring. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over an hour. The Holley sniper will be fully dialed in. All the settings will be set, ready to go. Plug and play. We have the proper flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission. Proper tooth count and balance. You have this real nice chrome Raptor pulley kit on here. Self-tensioning belt tensioners on there. 8-rib serpentine belt, all set. This is a real nice pulley kit. Later on, if the customer does want to run AC compressor, he can do so. It just remove the idler on here, put the AC compressor on there. It even uses the same belt, so that's a nice feature. We have the aluminum water pump, proper lower hose inlet on the passenger side for the 66 Mustang. We have the 160 amp chrome alternator, one wire hookup. We have the power steering pump on there with the proper fitting in there. Oil pressure extensions on there. All the heavy duty Russell fuel lines with the gas filter for the Holley Sniper EFI. So there you have it. Absolutely beautiful 302 Ford 350 horse turnkey package. Ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business. We've been in business for over 50 years. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.